It starts with a flicker, a slight stutter during your morning blowout. You wiggle the cable, it turns back on, and you think, I'll deal with it later. Big mistake. That sometimes no power issue on your Dyson hair dryer isn't just a minor glitch, it's a ticking time bomb. But what's actually going on? Our diagnostic results usually point to one sneaky culprit, a faulty power cord. All that twisting and pulling during your styling routine eventually breaks the internal wiring right at the base. Ignoring a finicky cord isn't just annoying, it's a safety hazard. Frayed wires can lead to sparking or permanently fry your luxury dryer's expensive motor. Nobody wants a literal hot mess on their hands. But don't panic, Robocare has the professional solution. At Robocare, our technicians are specialists in high-performance electronics. We know the Dyson hair dryer inside and out. We don't believe in guesswork. Our team uses specialized diagnostic equipment to perform continuity tests, pinpointing the exact location of the fracture inside your power cable. Whether it's at the plug or the handle's strain relief, we find it. Our solution is thorough. We carefully disassemble the unit, remove the faulty wiring, and perform a precision power cord repair using genuine components. We restore your dryer to factory standard safety and reliability. We've done the work, now let's see the proof. Look at that! After our professional power cord repair, this Dyson hair dryer is back to factory performance. Full power, zero flickering, and a cord that's built to last. Don't let a faulty cord ruin your day. Contact Robocare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.